Hello, my name is Jesus Angel Ramos. In this occasion, I will talk about Arduino and his characteristics. Well, what is Arduino? Arduino is an open source platform used to building electronic projects. Arduino consists of a programmable physical circuit, microcontroller, and some software run on your computer. Is used to write and load the computer code and the physical board. Arduino can interact with buttons, LEDs, motors, speakers, GPS units, cameras, internet, and even your smartphone or your TV. Software is free, hardware boards are pretty cheap, and both second software and hardware are easy to learn. Below are the most important parts of the Arduino boards and their functions.
Well, we can see the a principal components to the Arduino. The number one is the power plug. It serves to supply voltage to the board and can be used. It works with 7 to 12 volts. The number two is the voltage regulator. This component is responsible for converting the voltage supplied by the plug to 5 volts. This is the voltage required for our plate to work well. The number 3 is USB connector. This component is used to transfer data codes from the computer to the Arduino board. In addition is another source voltage. The number 4 is the reset button. It is used to stop and restart the program you are running. And the number 5 is the power pins. It serves to obtain voltage and ground to fit necessary elements. Can be to fit the board. We know that this board has two types of signals, digital and analog. The analog signals serve to read the signal from an analog sensor, such as temperature sensor, and convert it into a digital value that we can read. It is the sixth element, and the seven the seven element is the digital, the source digital. It can be used for digital input. For example, if a button is pressed and the digital output, such as turning on and LED. And the last number is the 8. Is a microcontroller. Is used to recreate all the instructions that you put in the code. To make the codes, it's necessary to use a software called Arduino. It must be installed in the computer. It's free on the internet and it is very easy to use. Below is the main screen of this software. You can perform from the easiest project to a very complicated one. There are many elements that can be used with Arduino, which is why it is one of the simplest types of programming you can find. Here is an example of a code already done. You can see that the structure is really simple. Here are some examples or projects you can do it with Arduino help. And I think Arduino is the easiest way to start programming. Besides, the platform is very friendly and does not require more knowledge. I think it's very useful to make prototype practice for testing as it is very small and easy to query. That's all. Thank you.